PC Harper's widow Lissy spent a day in court. She listened to the grim details of her husband's last minutes alive. The couple had been married a month when he was called to a burglary and was dragged to his death behind a fleeing car. It happened in rural Berkshire last summer. The two officers had finished their shift but were close by and went to help. The suspects were towing a stolen quad bike. Jurors were told it was in a dark country lane that PC Harper and his colleague confronted the suspect's car. As the car sped off, PC Harper's feet got tangled up in the tow rope. He was dragged along for more than a mile at speeds averaging 42 miles per hour. Swung, said the prosecutor, like a pendulum as the driver tried to dislodge him. The prosecutor said, when at last he became disentangled, he was left with the most awful injuries, from which he died there on the road, surrounded by colleagues who tried in vain to save him. His injuries were simply not survivable, and he could not be saved. He died totally naked apart from his socks and boots, and some shredded remnants of the trousers he was wearing. This was a completely senseless killing of a young police officer in the line of duty. The officer's widow left court as jurors were shown police dashcam footage of the bloody trail left by the escaping car. In the dock are Henry Long, 18, and two 17-year-old boys who can't be named because of their age. They all deny murder, but they admit a plot to steal the quad bike. Henry Long admits being the car driver and has pleaded guilty to manslaughter. The prosecutor said it was a ludicrous idea that he didn't know PC Harper was tied to his car. The three defendants were arrested at a traveller's caravan site later the same night. The prosecutor said Long told brazen lies in police interviews. The others said nothing. Jurors were shown police dashcam footage of the moment the defendant's car raced off. They heard PC Harper's fellow officer swear and radio in, "I've lost my colleague." Martin Brunt, Sky News at the Old Bailey.